Join me as I take on the challenge of discovering all 56 regions of America by matching their flags with their state birds. Exploring America's 56 regions through their unique flags and state birds is an exciting visual journey that reveals the rich tapestry of American culture. Each region, with its distinct flag and bird, tells a story of its history, values, and natural heritage. As we embark on this journey, get ready to be surprised by the diversity and significance of these symbols. Many of us might overlook the cultural significance of regional flags and birds, but they offer a fascinating glimpse into the identity of each area. State birds, on the other hand, are often chosen for their beauty, uniqueness, or connection to the region's ecosystem. With 56 regions, each with its own flag and bird. As we conclude this journey through America's 56 regions, we've seen how flags and state birds offer a window into the country's diverse culture and history. These symbols remind us that American identity is complex and multifaceted, shaped by the unique experiences and values of each region. We'd love to hear from you. Which flag or state bird did you find most fascinating? Let us know in the comments. If you're interested in more content like this, be sure to check out our other videos, where we explore more intriguing topics and stories.